Don't you love the bag that you carry? Don't you love to load it up with creative tools, books, projects that make a difference? Your bag is your office. It's designed to carry what you need. It was built with character, so are you. You should be seeing some patina by now. It should be starting to show. The slick wear, a bit of color change that only real leather can offer. You might see some spots on the straps, around the latches. It takes a cowboy many years to patina and smooth out a good saddle. You're going to see some natural folds and bends and creases, like a third baseman's broken-in glove. Often these are areas that you touch over and over many times a day. The oil on your hands smooths and slicks the leather. Maybe it's time for a good cleaning and some conditioner. We have a whole video explaining the process. You can see the link here. But now it's your call. You've had the bag more than a year. You're going to have day-to-day wear. This is what we call journey wear. We think your bag's only going to get better. It was built with character. Will you do us a favor? Will you send us some journey photos? A bag loaded up with you and your daily carries. A shot of you in the bag going about making the world a better place. We'd like to post those shots at Buffalo Jackson. Where do you go to honor your wild? Will you send us a photo?